Good morning everyone. Welcome to the session of Alpha Bridge Technologies Private Limited. This is Mukesh. In this session, we shall discuss about port isolation test, what it is and why we use. Generally, the data flows freely in between the different ports of a switch, but sometimes the data needs to be isolated for some requirement. At that time, this port isolation test is very much useful. By this port isolation test, the data communication cannot go on between the isolated ports, but the data communication can go on between normal ports and a normal port and an isolated port. Let's see the setup. Here I am using Alpha Bridge model switch of AS200/10T. The default IP of the switch is 192.168.0.1 and I am connecting two laptops to the switch via port 3 and port 5 and assigning the laptop's IP in the same range of switch IP. Now let's configure. Open PuTTY via console and log into the switch with the credentials given in one laptop. Here the username and password for the all Alpha Bridge switches are admin and admin. Those are default. Now enable and go into the configuration mode. First of all, open the command prompt and ping the other laptop, that is laptop 2. The IP as we assigned 192.168.0.14 in the laptop 2. See, it is pinging. Now go into the PuTTY and configure as shown here. Here I am interfacing on port 3 and using the command switch port protected to isolate this port. The same I am following for port 5 also. And then saving this configuration. Now check whether the commands are saved or not. Enter show running configuration and check whether the commands are there. Yes, those are updated. Switch port protected. Now open the command prompt and ping the other laptop. See, it will not be pinging. Now I am trying to ping the laptop 1 from the laptop 2. Open command prompt, ping the IP of first laptop, that is 192.168.0.11. This is about the port isolation test. Thank you. For any queries, comment below.